Now we add the values. We have integer a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, okay, and integer c, okay. We pass to change values, sorry, this is add values, and in add values we pass the value of a, address of a, address of b, and address of c, okay. So we have d, integer pointer e, integer pointer f, and we change it to value at f is equal to value at d plus value at c, okay. This is how we change, and we should put the brackets, right, so that we can understand it easily. So value at c and value at d. So value at not d, this is not c, but this is d, e, okay. So d and e holds addresses of a and b, and it will change the value of c, and f holds the value of address of c. So value at the address will be changed. So if I output this, it will print 20. Value of c is equal to c, okay. Now let's compile it. If you see this 30, 10 plus 20 is 30. So we pass address of a and address of b and address of c to the function, and function takes the value of value at the address a, value at the address b, and add them and put the set the value of value at the address c. The value is 30, right, and we plus the value. There is no assignment here, and we have not any, this is void function, it is not returning anything. So we can use the pointers as if we do not want to return, and again if we want to return multiple values. So this is how we return multiple values. Return multiple values means we can set the multiple values inside a function. If we have if we pass the addresses of variables inside a function, and that function changes the values, that is multiple return. That is, so a function can return multiple values, not single value. So if you do not use pointers, let's see how we will do that. For example, we have value at d is equal to 15 and value at e is equal to 30, and we return integer, and this integer will hold return value at d plus value at e, okay. And now we use c is equal to this, okay, and we do not pass any c here. There is no need of c and there is no need of f, okay. And if we write now, this will hold 45 multiple values, okay, 45. 45. You see 45? So these are multiple values are passed to this. Multiple values are returned by the function. This is how multiple values are returned. Not because of this statement. This is a single value. This is a single value. But multiple values have been changed inside a function. Okay? So this is how you write functions which can return multiple values. Okay? So now we will see how arrays work.